What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today we're gonna unbox these two cases from Nomad, and I want to say thank you, Nomad, for sending me out your products once again. So first we're gonna do the modern leather folio, and it has MagSafe. So this is their folio case. So we're gonna unbox this, try it out on the device, and I'll let you know what I think. On the inside, you get a QR code, and they also have nice boxing. They also have nice packaging. It's another thing I like about Nomad. So this ring in the inside lets you know that it's MagSafe capable. I do not have a MagSafe at the moment to try that out, but you can use MagSafe charging with this device. So you get 3 card slots for 3 cards, and you get a slot for money, and it has a nice flap to it, and it feels real nice and real good in the hand. So I'm going to pick up my iPhone 13 Pro Max. We're going to place it in like so. So this is what it will look like. There is no magnet to keep it closed, but this still is a nice look. You get a nice cutout for your camera. You get a nice power button. Power button is very clicky. You still get the cutouts for your USB and your microphones. Nothing on this side, nothing on the top. You get a nice lip, so if you decide to lay your phone flat on the table, you won't have to worry about anything. This is a nice look, but I don't know if I'm going to really use this case like that, because I really don't like folio cases, but this is still good to have just in case I want to go to the store and I don't want to take my wallet. All I have to do is put my credit cards and my money, my driver's license right in here. But of course, if you add card, money, it's going to make it look bulky, but right now it looks flush. But like I said, this feels nice, feels good, feels premium. That's one thing about Nomad. You do not have to worry about their cases because they are all premium and nice. So this was the folio one. So now I'm gonna replace, now I'm gonna take the screen protect. Now I'm gonna take the case off. I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it over here. And now we're gonna do their modern leather case. Another one that is is MagSafe friendly. So basically this and this, the backs basically are the exact same, except this doesn't have a folio and this one does. So we're gonna put this one on, and as you can see, it has a little cutout for MagSafe. So you get your nice clicky button for your volume, for your power button. You get your cutouts at the bottom here. On this side, you get your volume up and down. You get a nice cutout for your alert slider. And on the back here, you get a nice cutout for your camera. Like I said, you do not have to worry about laying your phone down flat because it's good and protected. I will just recommend you put a screen protector on there so your screen is not actually touching the surface of the table. And as you can see, well, let's see if it wireless charge. I'm going to put it on my Nomad wireless charger, and boom, as you can see, it does have wireless charging. So I just want to say thank you once again to Nomad for sending me out their products to review. I will put a link in the description to where you can go pick these 2 cases up. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.